Hello guys, today I'm going to explain to you how to blink a LED in STM32 Cube IDE, and you shall simulate it in Proteus. So let's begin with the code I have created for that. When you come to STM32 Cube IDE, I've already generated my code here, and here it is. In the wide loop is where we write our code, and this is a code for blinking a LED on and off. So in this case I'm blinking it after every half a second. So now what we're going to do, we need to generate a HEX code that we shall upload to Proteus to help us simulate the prototype. To do that, we're going to go to Project, Properties, then C build, then you come to Settings, then MCU Post Build Outputs, and you make sure you tick this checkbox for Convert to Intel HEX code. When you're done, you apply and close. Once you're done, come back to Project and build your project. So we are now building the project. It has taken 2 seconds and we have finished it up with 0 errors and 0 warnings, meaning we are good to go. So now when you come on this side of Project Explorer and you click on this debug menu, you're going to see that here there is an HEX code that we shall have to upload to Proteus to simulate the prototype. But then there is also this half code. This one you usually use it when you have a physical microcontroller. So this is what you run and upload into your microcontroller. Yeah, but for this case we're going to use the HEX code. So now to do that, let's head over to Proteus. Yeah, I already have a circuit drawn. You can follow along and draw something similar to that. Yeah, so now let's come here on our microcontroller, double click it. Now there is this small box that pops up, so you're going to go to Program File and you click on that folder icon that shows here. When you click on it, it will direct you to File Explorer, where you should browse for where your folder is located, and you locate the HEX code and upload it to your microcontroller. So in this case mine is in the STM32 blinking a LED and debug. So I'm going to choose this, open it. Yeah, good to go. Then click OK. Once you're done, come here, down here, and simulate. And here we go. See our LED blinking on and off every half a second. Yeah. So that's all from me today. See you guys in the next tutorial.